Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy and inexpensive Dollar Tree July 4th Independence Celebration, whatever you want to call it, a red, white, and blue wreath. And we're going to use this. This is a metal wreath ring, and it is from the Dollar Tree. It's 14 inches. We're going to use this Wall Decor, Proud to be an American, and this was from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to use 2 of these tinsel garlands from the Dollar Tree. They are 9 feet. We're going to accent with some little mini hats. These are from the Dollar Tree, as well as some stars, and this is from the Dollar Tree. We're going to take those apart, and they're really pretty, by the way. And then this red, white, and blue stars and stripes ribbon, we are going to use this. This is like burlap, and these are 8 feet each. And then we're going to finish it off with a red, white, and blue bow. If you need some extra something to stabilize, using some jute twine is really good. And if we need it, we have that. And then I have my glue gun over here to the right. So let's get started. And it's going to be really simple, and you'll love it. Okay, step 1 is to cover the wreath, this metal wreath, with our red, white, and blue ribbon. So basically, I'm going to use this ribbon to help fill in the wreath, as the garland will cover mostly it, but you'll see blanks if you don't have something in the background. We're not using the tulle or the deco mesh. So I'm just going to take the ribbon and put a little glue around it so that it will hold it together. And I'm just using a little hot glue, and it's just going to, now remember, hot glue can burn you. So, and then we're just gonna wrap it around, and it'll stay. All right. Okay, once you get your wreath all covered, then you're going to add your garland. Now this is so cute just like it is. So if you liked this, you could make sure you're covering everything, and then, you know, like you don't want your wire sticking out like this. Sorry about that. And then you could put your decor items on there like that. But I want to use the garland. It's just going to add a little pizzazz to it. And so basically I'm just going to follow the same technique of going around the entire wreath with the garland. And so I'm going to put a little glue here on the back to hold the garland in place, because once you start going around, it kind of holds itself, but you need some stability with the glue. All right, and so basically follow the same method of just going around and around. So I'm going to do that real quick. All you do is just go around and around the wreath. I guess you could just say around and around and around. But anyway, just like that. And it's going to add some real prettiness. Okay, once you have your wreath all covered, and that looks so pretty, and you can see where there might be spots, and that's why we covered the wreath with the ribbon in the first place. So now we have a really pretty wreath, and we have to decide how we want to do our decorations. So we have these little hats that we're going to put on, and then we have these stars, and I really like the stars, so I want to put those first because they're so big. And then we also are going to take out this I'm proud to be an American part, and we're not going to use the glittery heart. So we'll just cut that out. And it already has a hole in it. I don't know if you can see that. And we'll put some of this jute string through there, our twine, and then we'll put it in the middle and hang it in the center. It'll be really cute. Okay. Okay, so this wall decor with the stars, you can just peel the stars right off of this burlap ribbon, and it's really simple. It doesn't even really leave much of a mark on the back of the stars at all. So do know that your stars are, generally you're going to want to find out where you want to lay them in your wreath, like that, red, white, and blue. So maybe you want to do it like that. And then I may put a couple of hats, because I try to keep it like 5 odd numbers. So maybe put a hat here and here. So let's see what that looks like before we glue anything down. I just think these little hats are so cute. So we could put a blue one up here. We can take that string off and put a blue one there, and maybe a white one here. I almost don't know if it needs the hats. What if we didn't do the stars? Like the stars. I just almost don't know. Because we're going to put this bow here at the bottom. So let's see what the bow looks like. And the bow already has a twisty tie on it, so you just want to loosen that up a little bit to get it out of the paper. I'm sure you could figure that out. But we'll get that out and then tie it back up. So we tie that back up and then put that down here. A lot going on with those hats, right? What if we did it this way? I think I like that better. Can you see the white star? And not even use the little hats. The hats are adorable though. But I think I'm going for this. So let me pull up the camera a little bit. Okay, so you can kind of see what we're going for, and this will be hanging in the center. And I think that will look just right, even without the little hats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these down. I'm going to hang this, and I'm going to hang this bow, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, and there you have it. Really quick and easy, really pretty red, white, and blue. Celebrate your 4th and America's freedom and all that good stuff. And so anyway, I just love the red, white, and blue, and I hope that you enjoyed this and it will inspire you to create something special for your July 4th holiday. And until next time, thanks for watching.